I think you got it for you. Loves my meat.
Huh? No. Yeah. Is that poop in there?
Lily.
Hi guys! Good morning! Today is Wednesday, February 19 na tayo. Bilis ng panahon. Liam stayed at home. Hindi ko siya pina-school yesterday and today kasi nilagnat siya nung Monday. And may ubo siya guys. Kaya sabi ko sa mister ko, huwag muna natin papasukin ngayon. So, 2 araw na siyang walang pasok, hindi pumasok sa school, guys. Yesterday, guys, anniversary namin. Wedding anniversary namin ni Mister. Kahapon, February 18. Kami kinasal dito sa, kasi fiancé visa yung ko, guys. Yung pagpunta ko dito. Kaya rin yun siguro sa dahilan na, di ba, pag sa atin may pamahiin na pag kakasal ka, dapat mag-ingat. So, before kami kinasal ni Mr. February 9, nagkaroon ako ng black eye dito. Siya nga pala, sa mga nagtanong, doon sa drug addict, yes, nakulong yun siya guys ng 2 taon. So, yan, nakulong yun ng 2 taon. Yung nambugbog sa akin na drug addict. So, ito, kahapon, kasi nga anniversary namin ni Mr. Hindi ako nakapag-ready talaga guys. Hindi ako nakabili ng card. Alam ko si Mr. mas importante yung card kaysa gift. Kaya sabi ko, parang nahiya ako kasi anniversary nga namin. Ang aga-aga siyang ginising ako ni Bernie. Mommy, get up! You have flowers and cards from Daddy. Kasi anniversary nga daw. So, sabi ko kay Mr. pwede natin i-celebrate, bukas na lang, kasi si Liam not feeling well. Tapos ako, sabi ko, hindi pa ako nakabili ng card sa'yo. And mamaya, punta ako ng Target, bibili ako ng madali ang card. So, ito yung pa-flowers ni Mr. Iwan ko, ba't yellow yung binigay mo sa akin? Juicy pa, no? So, ito. Yellow. Hindi niya ako binigyan ng flowers ng Valentine's Day. Kasi, malalanta din naman itong flowers, guys, no? Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, dapat pinera mo na lang. Mukhang pera na talaga tayo ngayon, guys. Hindi na importante yung bulaklak. Pera na importante ngayon. So, kaya hindi ko rin siya binuksan kahapon. Ayun ko pa siya, walang paprito na kasi sometimes, kung bumibili ka ng bulaklak, may nilalagay sila sa packet na pang still mag-fresh pa yung bulaklak ba. Ngayon wala. So ito, puputulin ko tong stem nito, and then, ilalagay ko siya sa vase. Ano na kami ni Mr. 8 years na kaming kinasal. 8 years na rin kami palagi nag-aaway, guys. 8 years yung pagmamahala namin. 8 years pa rin yung lang nag-aaway kami. Pero yung pag-aaway namin, guys, mabibilang mo lang yun sa daliri. Kasi hindi kami masyadong, yung laging nag-aanuhan ba, nagbabangayan. Ang lang namin, pag pinag-aawayan lang, tagalagalagat namin ng bongga, guys. Pag yan si Mr. Yung mapasobra ng inom, yan. Talagang, Sa akin, wala problema yung mag-inom. Basta ilagay sa lugar ba. Huwag yung sumobra. Ayan. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, never kami nag-aaway ng about sa pera. Hindi kami nag-aaway kasi kadalasan naman sa mga puti, sila yung nag-handle ng pera, guys. And si Mr. din, hindi din niya ugali yung magkwenta ba? Hindi siya, kasi merong mga ganong lalaki na magkwenta sa babae. Lalo na kung ano, yung Mr. ay nagsusuporta sa pamilya sa Pinas. Merong iba nang magkwenta pero never kong narinig yan kay Mr. na nagkukwenta guys. So, ayan, ayusin ko tong bulaklak na binili niya sa akin. Ngayon ko pa ito maayos. And then, yung ano nga, yung ibang dahon, nag-ano guys, ay iba na yung nag-ano na ba? Ang nabugbog na. Nag-browning na yung isa-isahin natin para makahinga naman tong bulaklak. Kaya itong pag-arrange natin para naman yan natin ng tubig. Ito, may narinig kayong background dyan. Ano yan? Soccer yan. Nanonood ng replay itong isang batang to. Si Brianna lang yung pumasok today. So, mamaya ko pa yung buksan yung card ni Mr. I'll give you meds, my love.
No.
Say no. Dali, dali. And Mr. Ayun, ano na guys.
I was reading something
What are you reading?
about Liverpool.
About Liverpool? Oh. About what?
How they won.
Oh, okay.
What?
Look at water. So, yan lang yung ano niya guys. Yung sport na kahiligan nila yan talaga ngayon is soccer. Eat, sleep, soccer, repeat. Yan lang yung ano niya. Talagang naano siya natamaan siya sa motto na yan. Eat, sleep, soccer, repeat. Okay. Painumin ko muna ito ng gamot. Oh, sorry.
Nah.
You are such an actor. Can you be an actor na lang? Soccer player.
You don't tell me what to do.
Dahil na yun. Ano, kumain na yan ng ano guys, bacon. How many bacons do you need? 9 bacons? So, kumain na yan ng bacon. Nangaga nang nag-ano yan, nanghingi na yung breakfast.
I'm gonna continue reading.
Okay, so ito yung coffee natin guys. And saka pala, may ano kami. Kasi nga dapat, usually lumalabas talaga kami ni Mr. ng pag Valentine's Day. Pag ano namin, pag anniversary, wedding anniversary namin. Pero lately, mga ilang taon na rin na, 2 taon, 3 taon na hindi na kami lumalabas kasi wala na kami mapag-iwanan sa mga bata ba. And before, kumakain kami sa steakhouse. Eh ngayon, bumibili na lang ng steak si Mr. So ito, may binili siya dito na malaking steak guys. Tomahawks na steak. So ito yung lulutuin namin today. Tingnan nyo guys, malaki po siya na steak. Tingnan mo. Ito yung buto niya. Yan. So yan. Parang yung pamalo ni Flintstone ba? So, yeah. So, yun, hindi siya masyadong, ano guys, mahal. Kasi yung nabayaran ni Mr. is $54.28. Yan yung dinner namin tonight. Then sa kids din, steak din sa kanila. So hindi namin yan nailuto nga kahapon kasi si Liam not feeling well, and then si Brianna may practice kahapon kaya hindi namin yan nailuto. So ngayon na kasi pag Wednesday yung kids maaga silang lumalakas. Sa school 2:30. And then, merong ngayon si Brianna. Ako yung magdadala sa kanya. May session siya ngayon for striker sa soccer. And then, after that, uwi dito. And then, si Mr. yung magluluto ng food niyan. Ano ba to? Matapos naman ng pagkabalong itong okay. Isa ito sa mga vitamins, guys. Vitamin namin, Mr. Vitamin D. So, we need this. Aside from collagen, nagtitake ako ng vitamin D. Mommy D. Mommy Donisha. Vitamin D. And then, after kong magkape, punta ako ng dalhin ko si Liam, punta ako ng Safeway, bibili ng tubig. Kasi naubusan kami ng tubig, and then bibili din ng cards for Mr. And then, ito yung regalo ko ni Mr. Ito yung, wala kasi kong maisip, guys, na pag-regalo sa kanya. Kaya ito yung naisip ko. Mamaya, makikita nyo to. So, babalutin ko to siya. Then, may na-order ako sa Amazon. Ito sa Amazon din. May na-order ako sa Amazon na yung mug and then yung apron. Yan. Yun yung pang-regalo ko kay Mr. Kasi wala na akong maisip, guys. Kasi nakabigay na ako ng sa kanya. Relo. And si Mr. ang hirap bilhan ng regalo kasi lahat naman daw nasa kanya na. Sabi niya ng ganon. Ayaw niya ng mga yung mga mamahalin at saka kuripot ni Mr. para sa sarili niya, but I think he need this one kasi lagi niya sinasabi sa akin na yung mga kasamahan daw niya na piloto meron daw gaganito pero namamahalan siya, guys. Kaya ito, binili ko for him. So babalutin ko muna to. Balikan ko kayo mamaya, guys. Ako magkape and then punta sa Target para bibili ng card, and then na rin pangbalot na rin ng regalo. Hey guys, kagagaling lang ni Mr. sa bahay ni mother-in-law. Pinakuha ko yung vacuum na binigay ko sa kanya dati. Kasi hindi naman ito magamit. Nagagamit namin ito sa Pinas. Lilinisin ko muna to. Parang gumanda yung flowers ko ngayon na ko, guys. Hiwalay, hiwalay! So, yung card ni Mr. ready na. So, sabay kami mag-open ng aming card. Honey, come on! Let's open our card together. Okay, guys. According to my husband, hintayin daw yung anak niya na babae.
She wants to see it.
Yeah, ano pala, may usapan pala tong mag-ama. I know, may usapan pala to.
The favorite one.
May usapan pala na hintayin daw muna si Brianna. Darating din daw yung gusto ng anak, so mag-exercise muna ako. Ito, nagpunta ko ng Target kasi nabumili ako ng card ni Mr. Ito, guys, favorite ko ni Liam. Binilhan ko siya nito, waffle. I think bagong produkto to nila.
He doesn't like that now?
He's eating right now. So mag-exercise. I'm going to do my exercise first, honey, because I will take
I'm
Brianna
gonna work
later.
out, and what are you gonna do?
Oh, you're gonna do workout
I'm
too?
gonna do weights. But I was gonna do it about like 12:30, maybe 12:45. Yeah, 12. Why?
I will
What
do
do
treadmill.
you gonna do treadmill? For how long?
Like 30, 100 calories.
What,
30,
30
300
minutes?
calories. 30
Okay,
minutes.
we'll go do it, and then I'll do because I'm gonna do my weights here because I want to watch the game. If I go to the gym, I won't be able to see the game.
We're about watching the game.
I want to see Manchester City.
know.
I could go to the gym and see other things,
I know.
but I'll miss the game.
I know. Okay. Okay, guys. Brianna is back.
No!
Shh, Lily. Don't.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay.
Okay.
You
So,
should open your present first.
the cards first or the present?
The cards first.
No, present.
The present? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I got just flowers,
It's
but there's
blue.
there's diamonds in the
look.
flowers.
Yeah, there's a diamond here, right? Around that.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Right. I hope you
No.
didn't spend too much money. Don't spend money on me.
Yes.
I don't need.
See, it's
Actually, what is
coffee.
this? It's it's tumbler.
The
Oh,
tumbler.
Open it.
that's a Is there a diamond in here?
Yeah. Is that poop in there?
Shh, Lily.
Manang baba, anak.
You're on camera. Let's see what it says. Oh.
See?
Oh.
Told you
Best
something about a
husband ever.
president. Cover cup.
And then
Cover.
what does it say? That you are really, really great husband. Very special, very handsome, really terrific. What does it say?
Other husbands.
Other husbands,
Losers.
losers, total disasters. That's like a Trump statement. That's good, Mommy. I like that.
Open the shirt of the president.
Bring coffee in the soccer.
And the what?
Or in the soccer game.
Oh.
What's that?
Oh. What happened?
Come on, we are watching soccer, guys. Kaya, yun.
Touch his opponent in the box. Uh-oh. Oh, offside.
Guys, you better stop it. So, kakarating lang ni Brianna from school. So, ayan.
Okay, here's a
She's
present.
excited.
It's an exciting game, guys. Sorry.
Ayan yung hinintay ng
Okay,
daddy.
what's-
Hoy,
oh,
Brianna,
hey.
you should behave. And Liam, daddy
So-
doesn't want to open this because he's
it
waiting
says-
for you.
Oh, yeah. This
Trump.
is, no, it's for when I'm cooking.
What does it say?
It says, my wife loves my meat.
Huh? No.
It's being silly. She means the stuff we cook on the grill.
Okay, good. What is this?
It's just a joke. Okay, what's this one? It's
It's headphones.
headphones. Oh, quiet comfort.
This is what came this morning.
Oh, is it? See, guys?
Wait, Maddox has those, but it broke.
So I could wear this
Yeah.
when we're in the Philippines?
Uh-huh. Oh, you said your co-pilots have a nice headphones.
Well, that's for
You cannot use
communication. No, not for the airplane.
that? Really?
Well, there's no mic on it.
Oh.
It has to, but that's okay. This will work. We can use this. This is good.
Daya.
I can't open it.
Don't break it.
I can't see that. That's okay. I can see what it is. No, that's nice. What's going on there? Is there a score? Look, Liam.
Oh.
Liam.
Baba,
That's
can
for
you
like
have that?
probably Bluetooth.
That's Bluetooth. Baba, can I have a,
Yeah, but Bluetooth.
can I
that's-
have a
that's
scissor
okay.
ba or no?
Maybe I'll try it because like on the airplane, if I could, I usually use the
Yeah.
AirPods,
I know.
but maybe I could use those. It'll really.
But can I have scissor, please?
I will go back to Man City.
I wanna see because I'm excited. Yes. Thank you.
The Man
I think I got it for you.
No, this is not the color that I like.
Oh.
Oh, black.
So ako na yung nag-unboxing. That's a nice one. I think you can put it into your luggage.
Yeah.
Because there's leave it off. Oh,
If there's too much noise
very slick.
in the house,
Hey, it's on!
huh?
The game's on.
What?
You're just
What?
the best
I
stuff.
can't hear you. What?
What do you say? What? What do you say?
Very nice. They're comfortable.
Left, right. Okay, Liam, can
Well,
you,
I think you
can
put
you
it's a
talk?
Bluetooth. No, it has to turn on the
What do you
Bluetooth.
say? What?
but You have to turn them on.
Oh, yeah.
There's it won't do it just
Yeah,
like that. You
yeah.
have to turn
Oh,
it
there's a
on.
nice box and
So I'll just read how you do it. I don't know when you turn them on. They probably
you
need to
have
be
to connect
charged.
it. Yeah.
See,
No hands.
I don't think they're on. Yeah, I think you have
You
to.
need to use that for your chat
I
mic
gotta-
so that you can hear her properly.
What's that when they're making that? What is that called?
ASMR.
ASMR. Yeah. Anybody wants to contact me for ASMR?
Baba.
Any followers?
Baba.
Just kidding. On my anniversary, saying something. Okay, my love.
You're gonna pay me.
Did you tell the guys that I just got flowers, but there's 2 diamonds on the way?
Yeah.
Waiting for 2 diamonds waiting for her at the
Uh-huh.
jewelry store to augment her ring. Go ahead, mommy.
Oh, you have the same card?
No. Because mine says wife, I think.
Yeah. What?
Oh, Bubba, can you get my glasses? Can you get my glasses? Yeah, here's my card, guys. What is it? Oh, the toast.
Patient. It's thanks for your patience.
Wait a second. Here, can I get my
I
glasses?
don't know what they are.
Oh.
Bro.
Poor Man City.
Poor Jaban.
This is nice,
Let
baby.
me see. What was the one about the toast?
That's the Valentine's.
Oh, okay.
See, now he get confused. I don't know how many cards he has.
What is that?
Yeah, he was confused not
At least
looking for
at
it.
least it-
Yeah.
At least it was one.
I know.
It was at least.
Gotcha.
It was, no, at least it was one that I got. What's the one that's in Chinese? Okay, mine says, "Our love has been a journey. I couldn't have known when we first met that everything in my life before that had been leading me to you. But looking back, I realized that every decision led me to just the right turn. I know, just like when we bought this house instead of the other one, we wouldn't have Liam.
Yeah.
Brought me to the steps. That's a long part of love. What? Love always. Careless. XOXO.
Our kids are.
Right? My kids are embarrassed
I know.
about our. Thank you, Mommy.
Like this. See, look at that. Even this one, it looks like a Korean.
Like a
I
Korean
think
kid.
you've been influenced by Korean Inga, like.
I got that. I got that in front.